Hey everyone, welcome to a new video from our Play With Me Toys for Kids channel. Today, as promised, our second video from the City Action Playmobil helicopter set. Today we're going to go ahead and set up the helicopter and the policeman as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get it built. Okay, our SEK helicopter is all set up and our policeman has taken his spot in the helicopter driver's seat. So, super cool helicopter here. We had fun stickers to add. It feels pretty solid, pretty stable, and everything spins around, works like it should. Super cool. I think it's cool that it's pretty big as well. It would look really cool on your shelf, on your toy shelf, but of course you want to play with it first. Our little spotlight here doesn't light up, but it does move around. Super cool. I think the black and gray color scheme is super cool as well. Looks really sharp. Let's take a closer look at our policeman. He's got his pistol there on his hip. He's got a helmet. And yeah, I would say super cool helicopter. Let's send our policeman off on his mission. Thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.